So this class is actually a combination of 2 weeks of material, basically around the Ocho Cortado in different variations. We started with just with a very simple Ocho Cortado for very small contained spaces. So instead of going outside partner, here, back, just a lot less. So we're just starting with basically just stepping outside partner, doing a rebound here, leading her around, and then back in front to the Ocho Cortado. So using up very little space. We talked a lot about the rebound here, that I'm not stepping too big and going here and then there, that I'm just stepping right next to her foot. The energy here is coming sort of down and forward. And the same thing for her. It's coming down forward into her back leg. My energy is going into my forward leg. And as soon as I feel that weight starting to transfer, that's when I rebound. And I open my right chest, my right hip, and she takes a side step. Now I'm going to turn, leading her into here to cross. And of course her heel enters and not her toe. That's basic Ocho Cortado, is the heel enters. So there's a pivot here on her supporting leg, and her heel enters. Then we added a little musicality to this. So the regular musicality here would be quick, 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 slow. Now we're going to add quick, 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 slow. So on her open step, we'll do it in this direction. I'm stopping here in the middle, moving her to her left, then to her right, then left, then the right, and then crossing. So then we did a slight variation on this, where instead of catching her there in the middle of her step, I'm actually bringing her all the way to cross. Unwrap and cross again. There, I'm letting her put weight a little bit on the forward foot, but it's not, but be careful not to lead her there and change rate and pause at all, and where I completely shift her weight. I'm sort of stopping with her weight sort of in the middle so that I can easily unwrap. Then we looked at some embellishments for the men. So from here, I could go to her right foot, pull my foot out, lead the cross, or to her back foot. I could also even go to the outside of her back foot. And in fact, if I did this, I could do just a little tap there, or I could drag that foot to the cross. So that would look like this.